Good
Good evening.
evening, all of you. Hi, good evening, all of you guys. As you know, we have started trigonometry in the previous class. Still, we are in basics only. More things are going to discuss today also. In the previous class, once let us see what are the points we have discussed so far. So in the first class, guys, just what is mean by the six trigonometric ratios by using the right angle triangle. So these are the six trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, and secant. And one is reciprocal of the other. These are the points I have discussed in the previous class. Next, in class 2, the second class, we people have discussed regarding to the coordinate system and some important trigonometric identities. Three important identities we derived, we proved also. And based upon the three trigonometric identities, we can have a few more deductions in the previous class. Deductions are also there. We deduced a few of the deductions, right? Now today we'll try to continue, and this is one important point that we have discussed. The correlation, the relation between the coordinate system and the trigonometry. Now today, let's have the discussion of the measurement of an angle, how to measure an angle. Okay, so that's the today's concept is the measurement of an angle, how to measure an angle. Measurement of an angle. Measurement of an angle. So there are few methods for measuring of an angle. So out of which the most frequently used method is the degree system, and another one is the radian system. And the third one is also there. We can call it as a gradient system. That is not useful for us. But only two methods are there. The angle can be measured in three ways or three methods. But most frequently used method is what? The degree system. The angle can be measured. Angle can be measured in the following ways. So how we can measure? There are three methods. The first one, we can call it as a degree system. We can call it as a degree system. In this method, one right angle, you know the right angle, one right angle is equal to, in this method, one right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So we can use the unit as degree. This symbol is read as 90 degrees. We can read as 90 degrees. Two right angles is equal to, in this method, two right angles is equal to, one is 90, two means it is 180 degrees. Okay. And the second one is, method number 2 is radian system. Radian system. In this method, one right angle is equal to, it is pi by 2 radian. Radian unit is a C. We can read as pi by 2 radian. Pi by 2 radian. And approximate value of pi is 3.14, and we can take it as 22 divided by 7. It is 3.14. Similarly, two right angles is equal to
pi
pi radian. This is the second method, guys. Method number 2 for measurement of an angle. And the third one, point
Sir,
number, yes, please.
sir, what is radian, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, what is radian?
That is one unit. One unit. That's like
Okay, sir.
to measure of an angle. This is also one unit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The third one is see that, please see your surrounding should be quite calm. Okay. So third one, it is gradient system. Gradient system. Gradient. So gradient system, as I said, it is outdated. We people not using in this concept. In this method, one right angle is equal to 100 grades. The units for 100 grades will be G. We can read as 100 grades. 100 grades. Next, two right angles is equal to 200 grades. So I'm taking the exponent as a C. It is a unit for radian system. And here we are taking just O or 0. It is a unit for a degree system. Suppose nothing is given to you. This is one important point to be noted. Just 2 is given to you. That is sine 2. That means sine of 2 radian. Nothing is given means it is in radian system. This 2 is in radian system. Remember, in numerals, plus 2 not necessary to represent positive sign before any numerical value. So we can understand that it is a positive 2. It is a positive 5. Not necessary to represent positive sign. Similarly, when we representing an angle, whenever we have the numerical value 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.4, 5.6 like that, represents your angle should be in radian system. So we must represent if it is in degree system. You have to represent its unit when we are going to discuss with the degree system, guys. So this is one important point to be noted. Just this is the point to be noted. Okay. So I'll give the time while just I'll tell you one thing, guys. Just while class is going on, please be silent and I'll give the time after completion of my discussion, 10 to 15 minutes. I'll give the time for you people. Okay. So please be quiet and see your surrounding should be calm. Okay. And next point is the continuation of this. What I have given 3 points: degree system, radian system, gradient system. These are the 3 points that I have discussed. And one point to be noted here, important point, what? Suppose the units are not given to you, then this can be considered as it in radian. Whenever pi value is given, approximate value, we are going to consider as 22 divided by 7. This is the point that you have to remember. Sir, how we can measure this an angle? The angle can be measured only in 2 ways. That is in degree system and the radian system. Only degree and radian, right? Till your mathematics ends. Okay. Now, what is meant by pi? Pi value is 22 divided by 7 or 3.14 approximate value. Even we proved this value in 10th standard, the last chapter, probability. In probability, we are finding the number of digits in the approximate value of pi, probability. That concept, in that concept, we have this question. Okay. So he has given almost 50 digits after pi. For pi value, 3.14, just 2 digits I'm taking here. We have almost 50 digits. in your textbook. Okay. Now, what I'm going to discuss by using this degree and radian system means I can have few of the standard tabular values, but before that, how I can calculate these degree and radian system. Suppose if I'll consider this as point number 10, the 11th point is the relation between degree and radian system. Relation between degree and radian system. Degree and radian system. As I said, the third one is outdated. I don't want to use the last one, gradient system. Degree and radian system. Radian system. In these two systems, one common term is there. What is that? Right angle. Right angle is a common. Am I correct? So in the degree system, two right angles is equal to 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. So this is the concept I'm going to use for defining any value, whether it is in degree system or in radian system. What is that? 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. From this, what I can write? Suppose if you want to convert degree system to radian system or radian system to degree system, we can make use of the following multiplicative factors. 180 degrees, I can write it as, see guys, 180 into 1 degree is equal to pi radian. Now, 1 degree is equal to pi radian divided by 180. Hope you can understand my point and how I am deriving,
Yes,
how
sir.
I am writing. Now, pi value is how much? As I said, it is 22 divided by 7.
Yes, sir.
I'll give an approximate value. 22 divided by 7 by 180. So this will give almost 1 degree is equal to 22 divided by
7 by
7,
180.
180. Please see your surrounding should be calm. Okay, so please be careful, guys. This is equal to, the others may not be disturbed. The approximate value of 1 degree in terms of the radian. See that, as I said, when I'm not taking anything, I mean, the units are not given to you, then it should be in radian system. So I can say that 1 degree is equal to 0. If you want, you can use your calculator, 0.001745 radian. Clear? If you want, you can use your calculators. Check your calculators. 0.001745 radian. Remember, guys, this is one of the most important point to be noted when we compare the values. When we comparing the trigonometric ratios, the degree value is greater or the radian value is greater. This is case number 1 to be noted. First case to be noted, right? And after that, this point you have to make a note. 1 degree is equal to how many radians? Pi divided by 180 radians. Case number 2, second case. Pi is equal to what I have given to you, 180 degrees.
180 degrees.
Pi into 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees. 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. As I said, pi means 22 divided by 7. That 7 will comes in numerator. 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees into 7 divided by 22 is equal to the approximate value of 1 radian is equal to 57.175. 57.175 degrees. 57.175. So 1 radian is equal to how many degrees? 57.175 degrees. So these are the 2 points have to be remembered. 1 degree is equal to how many radians, and 1 radian is equal to how many degrees. These are the 2 points to be noted by using your calculator. If you want, you can check it. And what is the condition I'm using for converting them radian system to degree system? This is the logic or the formula I'm using for converting them radian system to degree system. Here, degree to radian. So I'll write here degree to radian, degree system to radian, degree system to radian system, and here radian system to degree system, radian to degree, radian to degree. So what are the points? Just 2 points I have discussed here. The measurement of an angle. Angle can be measured in 2 ways. One is degree and another one is a radian system. One right angle is equal to, in degree, I have given 90, and in radian, pi by 2.
Sir,
2 right angles, 180, and here in radian system, 2 right angles is equal to pi radian. Right angle means, is it 90 or not? That is 1 quadrant
yes, sir.
in the coordinate system. Yes. Regarding to
Sir, we
these
can
2
do pi by
points,
2 also, sir. Pi by 2, 180 by 2.
that's already I have given to you. 1 right angle is equal to pi by 2 in radian system. Okay. Yes, Avani, any doubt regarding to these 2 points? Now you can raise your hands, guys, if you're having any doubts related to these 2 points. Avani, any doubt?
Sir, can you explain the case 2 once again?
Case 2, yes, same relation that I'm using. Pi radian, from this point, just I'm taking. Pi radian is equal to what? 180 degrees. Pi radian means, can I write pi into 1 radian?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 180. So 1 radian is equal to 180. This pi will be on right hand side. You know that what is meant by pi, approximate value. I've given pi as 22 divided by 7. This is an approximate value. Already you know that. So I can substitute 22 divided by 7. Then 7 will come in numerator. If you are calculating this approximate value as 57.175. Sir, what is the use of this concept that I'll discuss while we are discussing the problems? Because in competitive examinations, the simple questions he will ask, without knowing these approximate values, 1 degree is equal to how many radians, 1 radian is equal to how many degrees, you cannot understand the comparison. Hope it is clear, Avani.
Yes, sir.
Shashank.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is
Without-
meant by sin 2?
Yes, yes, please.
Sin 2.
Sine 2.
Sine, it is
Yes, sir, sin 2.
sine, yeah, sine 2. 2 is a value. So suppose here no unit is given to you. Actually, he has to give either degree system or radian system. Nothing is given to you. Means we can consider it as radian. Sine 2 radian. It is in radian system. Okay. Like suppose 2, value 2 is given to you. So I cannot say that it is plus 2. I can say that just 2. But whenever negative sign is given, definitely minus 2 I can read. Positive sign means it is not necessary to represent. Similarly, in an angle, it is not necessary to represent the unit for radian. Okay. So it means that it is in radian system. Sine 2 means it is in radian system. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Right. Yes.
sir, in calculator it is coming 57.272727, sir.
Which one?
Sir,
Second
case
case.
2, sir.
Which one? Which one? 57
Second
point
case, sir.
2. That is
Sir, 1
the
radian
value.
equals to 57.2727. It is showing in calculator.
It is mathematically proved. Okay, the calculators, that it is mathematically proved. You can fix this value. Okay, 57.175.
Okay,
This
sir.
is fixed for you people. Okay, so let us fix it.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Rohan.
Sir, what is sine 2?
Sine to value, that I'll discuss later. Okay, so till you have to just
Okay,
remember
sir.
2 means it is in radian. We are not finding the value, right?
Sir,
Next, Sarandeep. Wait, Ranveer. Sarandeep.
Sir, how is one rectangle equals to pi radian by 2, sir?
Yes, can you repeat again?
Sir, how do we know that one rectangle is equals to pi radian by 2?
Pi radian divided by 2. One right angle means it is a right angle triangle, no? 90 degrees. Pi by 2 we can take.
Yes,
It
sir.
is 90 degrees. Yeah, this is one representation. The mathematicians has fixed this value. One right angle means 90 degrees. I can write it as pi by 2. 90 degrees means pi by 2. These two values are approximately same in calculation part. In calculation. Okay. Sir, how they are same? Just let us see. 1 degree is equal to 0.00 something. And 1 radian is equal to 57 point something. You can put a radian value here and then degree value here. You will get approximately same, these two values. Don't go for a calculation part, guys. Just you have to remember what is meant by one right angle. That's it. And what is the value of 1 degree and 1 radian? Ranveer.
yes, sir. Which is biggest, sir? Like 1 radian or 1 degree? Or...
That's I am just I told you I'm not moving to the next step. I want to discuss all your doubts in the next step. Okay, so just I have discussed what is meant by radian and degree. That's it. Okay, while we are discussing the problems, all your doubts will clear. Right? We'll wait for just 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Rohan, any other doubts? And any other doubts, guys? Rest of the people, any doubts? Rest of the people, any doubts? Right. I'll go for the next point. As you asked, let us see which one is greater. That depends upon the given trigonometric ratio. Okay. So now we people are fixed one particular value for sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, and secant. Even we proved also. The proof is not necessary at this level, guys. You can remember the tabular values, what I am going to give. But before that, one more point I need to discuss. That is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. The next point is 12th point is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. What is meant by complementary?
Angles of sum is 90 degrees.
Sir,
Right, very good.
Please spelling wrong, sir.
Sum of two angles is
Trigonometric ratios of
90.
complementary angles. Let's see. Suppose if I'm taking a right angled triangle, this is A and it is B and it is C. As you know, this is an angle theta and we can take it as opposite side and it is adjacent side or base. Adjacent side or base and it is a hypotenuse. This is already we people have discussed. Is it 90 degrees perpendicular? And what is this angle? What is this angle? Is it 90 minus theta or not?
Yes, sir.
It is 90 minus theta, right? So that means I can define all your 6 trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. That is sine of 90 minus theta.
Sir, what
Sine of
complement is
90
wrong, sir.
Yes, please. Just you can take. So here what we can write, 90 minus theta means, what is meant by sine theta? Sine theta means opposite upon
Opposite
hypotenuse.
side by hypotenuse.
That is AB upon AC. AB upon AC. According to theta value, let us see theta, cos theta. If I'm finding, what is meant by AB upon AC? Is it cos
Hello,
theta
sir.
or not? Yes,
Sir,
please.
opposite by hypotenuse means BC by
C by
AC.
AC, sir.
BC by
I'm
AB.
not. Sine theta, sine 90 minus theta, where you are taking 90 minus theta is your angle now. At C, from C you can observe.
Okay, sir.
Sir, just
Okay.
take 90
From
minus
C,
P
from
by
C
H,
you can
sir.
observe. This is what I'm telling. This is from angle C. We are standing at an angle C. What is an angle C? Opposite angle to C. Is it AB or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if I'm taking for in terms of the theta, is it cos theta? Let us see. AB means adjacent to theta, hypotenuse. So AB upon AC means, is it cos theta or not? It is cos theta. It means that sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Hope you can understand my point. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, cos
Sir, I
of
did not
90
understand.
cos of 90 minus theta is equal to what we can write? Adjacent. Adjacent means, is it BC?
Minus sine theta.
Oi. BC adjacent to 90 minus theta. Whenever I am taking 90 minus theta, let us stand at C and you can observe. We are standing at C and we are observing. What is adjacent to 90 minus theta? Is it BC?
BC.
Upon hypotenuse. What is meant by hypotenuse? It is
Sir, AC.
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 According to theta, that means you have to stand at A. Stand at A and then observe. What is meant by BC? Is it perpendicular or not?
Sine theta,
What is
sir.
meant by AC? Yes,
Sine theta.
it comes sine theta. Now you people are perfect. Point number 3. Still we have to discuss with the tan also. Tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta means you have to stand at C, guys, and observe at C and then observe. See that you should be in mute, please. All of you guys, please keep in mute. Yes. Keep in mute. Keep in mute. See that your surroundings should be calm. Yes, guys.
B by AB.
Nice. Here you have to stand at C and observe. For tan, is it opposite
AB
upon?
by BC, sir. Will get.
Let us take. I'm taking with the same color. It is opposite side, and then adjacent side. This will be adjacent side.
Cot theta.
Am I correct? Adjacent side to 90 minus theta. So what I'm
AB by
going to
BC,
get
sir.
here, AB upon BC. AB
Cot
upon
theta.
BC. It is cot theta. These are the basic points how we are getting. You have to understand. Don't mugging up the things. You have to understand and think over it. We never forget if you are perfect in this diagram, guys. Now, secant of 90 minus theta. Secant
Cosecant
means
theta.
adjacent. Here, BC upon secant. What we can write? Adjacent.
AB.
Or, yes, please. Adjacent or what we can
AB,
write?
sir.
Hypotenuse. Is it the formula is clear? Correct. The
AC, sir.
formula what I have written. AC. First AC.
Yes, sir.
AC.
BC by AC.
AC upon BC.
AC by BC.
AC by BC, sir.
AC divided by BC. This is
BC.
important. Right.
Cosecant theta.
C at theta you have to stand. AC by BC value is cosecant theta. Immediately you should be in mute, please. immediately, right? And if you
Sir,
want,
I
you can
did
take
not
it
understand.
where you have not understand, Anna.
Total, sir.
Total means
Sir,
where you are standing first. Rest of the guys, please be quiet. Keep in mute. Try to keep in mute. Yes. You have to stand at theta. First stand at theta. What is meant by cot theta? Tell me cos theta. Who is that? Shashank or who is that? Who asked the question?
Shashank, sir.
Yes.
sir, I am
You have, to,
Rohan.
you have to stand at theta and then observe. Tell me what is meant by cos theta. Cos theta, tell me.
Cos
Rohan,
Base by
Ra-
hypotenuse.
rest of the guys keep in mute. You don't talk, okay?
Base
Only
by
Rohan and Shashank.
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
That means I can write AB upon AC, correct? What you have written, what you told. Rohan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Similarly, you have to stand at C. C is the point. Is it visible with the red color? 90 minus theta is there. Am I correct? What is your
Yes,
angle
sir.
at C? What is your angle at C? Is it 90 minus theta or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is for sine trigonometric ratio? Is it opposite upon hypotenuse?
Yes, sir.
What is an opposite side to angle C?
AB.
Opposite side, AB. Can I write AB
AB.
here? By
Yes.
AB divided by AC. Same thing that I have written here. I mean, both are same or not? Let us see.
Yes, sir.
So for the same part, you can take 90 minus theta and then theta. You have to stand at 90 minus theta and then stand at theta. Right?
Sir, that
Hope you can
means sin
understand.
into 90 by sin into 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin into 90
Yes.
minus theta is equal to
Yes.
cos.
Yes, that is
Sir,
what I'm
can you
discussing.
give
there.
one more example?
Where? What example? That means we don't have complementary means only 90 minus theta I can give.
Sir,
I
I
cannot
Not
give any
that,
other
sir.
angle.
With another tan
I
theta.
mean, you can, yeah, already I have discussed, same thing that I have discussed. You have to just think over it and you can observe how we people are doing. Just two angles, 90 minus theta and then theta, guys.
First,
Okay?
we should see from theta and then 90 minus theta.
Yes, both are same what I have written. That my
Thank you.
intention is to define for 90 minus theta. Define for 90 minus theta. Okay? Yeah, even if you want, you can go for cosecant also, but all these points already I have discussed. Any other doubts by anybody else regarding to this? Rohan, clear, Shashank, and any other doubts?
No,
sir, I
sir.
still did not get it, sir. How sine? I understood cos theta, but sine into 90 minus theta, I did not understand, sir.
You have to stand at C. Tell me what is opposite to 90 minus theta. Opposite side to 90 minus theta.
Sir, AB.
That is I have written, no? AB. And
Sir,
hypotenuse?
AC.
Is it same as cos theta when you are standing at theta? Stand at theta, A, angle A, and then observe.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Adjacent means, is it AB? For cos theta, adjacent side is AB. Yes. Now, let's go for your tabular values. Yes, please.
Sir, can you sir, why in sin 90 minus theta down hypotenuse came, sir?
90 minus theta, where you are? 90 minus theta means you are in top.
Yes, sir.
See that? Yeah, that is the thing. And theta means that you are in down base. Adjacent.
Sir, can you explain the same with tan theta?
Yeah, same thing it is there. Same for a tan also.
Sir, can you explain
Same
it
for,
once again?
yes, please. Other will disturb that. I'll take last to 5 minutes for you. Okay.
Okay.
Let's have the discussion of the trigonometric tabular values. Next point. point number 13, tabular values of trigonometric ratios, all trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. We have the proofs, and even by using our fingers, you can able to remember sine theta value. Once you guys, first you have to remember the first row. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. The reverse of sine values will be cos. Tan means it is sine theta upon cos theta. Already you know that. Sine theta upon cos theta. That means sine 0 upon cos 0 will give tan 0. And you know that the reverse values of tan will be cot. Or even if you want, you can write cos theta divided by sine theta. Secant means 1 divided by cos theta. Cosecant means 1 divided by sine theta. Clear? These are the tabular values you have to remember. Once you are perfect in sine, it's very easy to remember to write all the trigonometric tabular values. Whenever we have the doubt, first fill with the sine, and then you can complete the rest of the values. Now, anything divided by 0, suppose something is given in numerator and divided by 0 is given, we can call it as not defined. Wherever not defined symbol is there means in denominator, you will get 0. That is the thing. In denominator, if you are getting 0, then it should be called it as a not defined. Is it clear? I'll go for the next point number 14. Hope it is clear, all of you. Tabular values, that we have the proofs also. At this level, it is not necessary. Even by using your fingers, you can able to remember. Right?
Sir, that means
Yes,
not
please.
defined means infinity. Okay, sir.
Yes, infinity. Right. Even we can write the infinity symbol as like this, but as I said, at this level, all these points that little bit confusion, like there is a problem. I'll go for how to convert the radian system to degree system. Just radian to degree, degree to radian. The first example that I am going to discuss with degree to radian. Convert the following degree values to radian values. Radian. Right? So suppose 30 degrees is given to you. What we can write? I can write it as 30 into 1 degree. As I said, pi radian is equal to 180 degrees.
Sir, 1 degree
So
value 1745.
1 degree, you cannot write like this. 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180. That's is the relation I have given just now. So we
Yes,
can
sir.
write pi radian is equal to 180 into 1 degree. So I can write it as 30 into pi divided by 180. So what is the factor, multiplicative factor we are using? Pi by 180, that's it. 1 degree means pi by 180. It is equal to pi divided by 6 radian. 30 degrees is equal to how much? Pi divided by 6 radian. I'll repeat again. First 30 degrees, I can write it as 30 into 1 degree. 30 into 1 degree means what we can write? Pi by 180. Multiply with pi by 180. 31 times, 6 times. So pi radian divided by 6. So 30 degrees is equal to pi by 6 radian. This is the first point. Question number 1. Example number 1. Similarly, even I can define for 135 degrees is equal to, as I said, 135 into 1 degree is equal to 135 into 1 degree means how much? Pi
Pi by
divided by
180.
180. So
Pi
you can divide by 45.
Yes.
It is divided by
135
45.
into pi equals to pi by 45.
Divide by
Sir,
45.
3 pi,
Numerator and denominator.
by 4, sir.
3 pi divided by 4. Is it your answer? Yes. 135 degrees is equal to 3 pi by 4. Its unit, as I said, it is not necessary to represent its units. So nothing is given means you can take it as a radian system. Right? Next, I'll
Sir?
try to discuss. Yes, please.
Sir, in calculator also RAD means radian.
Don't
sir.
use radian. Don't use calculators. Your calculators are not allowed in any competitive examinations. Up to 12th standard, your calculators will not allowed. You can use just manual. Point number
Sir?
3. 210 degrees. Wait, please. Wait, please. I'll give the time. No problem. 210 degrees. Make it fast.
Seven pi by 6.
Snehit, 7 pi by 6.
Sir.
Very good.
So 7 pi by 6.
7 pi by 6.
It is 7 pi by 6. I can take it as 210 into pi divided by 180 is equal to 0 cut 3 times 7. 7 pi divided by 6. Next, fourth one, 300 degrees.
Sir, 10 pi by 6.
No, you cannot take that. You can 10 pi by 6 means again 6 will cancel.
Sir, 5 pi by 6, sir. 5 pi by 3.
5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3.
5 pi by 3. Very good. So you can take it as 300 into 1 degree is equal to 300 into pi divided by 180. 0 cut. That is by which is it divided by
30, sir.
6? Is it divided
Yes,
by
sir.
6 or 30?
65, sir. 63, sir.
5 pi by
5 pi by 3.
6. 3 or 6?
3,
5
sir.
pi by 6, sir.
5 pi by 6.
Yes, sir.
3, sir.
No, sir. 5 pi
3,
by
sir. 5 pi by 3, sir.
5 pi by 3. Right? Like that, I'll try to send few of the questions for reducing the degree system to radian system. That's it for today, guys. And if you're having any doubts, you can. Rest of the people, just you can left it and just who are having the
So,
doubts.
no doubt, sir.
Sir, in the 3 methods you gave, which is the most appropriate, sir?
Degree system and radian system, both. But most frequently used method is degree system.
Sir,
Sir, will you explain the table?
Tabular values, I think at this level, not necessary.
Okay, sir.
It is not necessary to prove each and everything.
But
Yes.
they are easy only, sir. Tabular values.
Any other doubts, Shashank and Sarandeep? Sarandeep, any doubt?
no, sir.
Vardhan, Jay Vardhan,
No, sir. Nothing.
Shashank,
Yes, sir.
any doubts?
Sir, you told you will explain the same with tan theta.
Yes, I'll go for tan theta also, what you asked. Tan and then cot. Let's stand at angle C. Tell me what is meant by tan theta. Stand at 90. That means 90 minus theta C. And you can observe what is meant by tan theta. Is it opposite upon adjacent?
Yes, sir.
So tan it.
Tan of 90 minus theta, that means you are standing at
AB
C
by BC,
and
sir.
then you are uprising. So opposite upon adjacent. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Opposite upon adjacent means is it AB upon BC?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you can stand at A, angle A theta. Angle A theta. Yes?
Yes, sir.
And tell me what is meant by cot theta. Cot theta. Cot. At A, you have to observe and tell me what is meant by cot. Is it adjacent upon opposite? Shashank.
Yes, sir.
Adjacent means what? Adjacent to
AB.
AB. Same thing that I have written. And then opposite means, is it BC?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same thing I have given to you. It is cot theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Any other doubts, guys? Rest of the people? If you're having any doubts, I'll try to discuss.
No, sir.
Right. Good night, guys. Good night to all of you. We'll continue tomorrow at the same time.
Bye,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Good night, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Right.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.